Hi everybody. As we into this salt week, so I felt like to share with you few information regarding salt. Now, what is salt? Like, is it bad or is it good? We all use salt in our day-to-day meal. Like each and every meal, we need to use salt, especially in the foods that we eat, because salt is something whose presence is not felt but whose absence matters a lot. So, what to do? Like, shall we eat salt or shall we not eat salt? Is it good or is it bad? So, today's video is with this. Well, to start off with, salt it contains sodium, which is an important component of your cellular mechanism. And not just for the cells, even the sodium is equally important for your nerve impulse propagation. So, if you completely omit salt from your body, then you might suffer from a problem called hyponatremia, which might lead to your improper nerve impulse propagation. And also it might lead to, like, during dehydration, like what happens that because of the excess loss of the fluids, even the electrolytes are also being lost, and so as the salt is being lost. So during that time you need to give ORS, which contains sodium. So in that way, yes, salt is important. Now, under what circumstances salt has to be avoided? Salt has to be avoided if you are suffering from hypothyroidism and the water retention which is arriving because or which is getting generated in your body due to hypothyroidism. During that case, you need to avoid salt because salt loves water, and whenever you eat more of salt containing foods, that salt has got sodium which has got an affinity for the water, and then your body it tries to reabsorb a water a lot, and your feet and your hands become swollen. Even you tend to develop the swollen eyelids and swollen eyeballs, so this is one reason. Another is if you are suffering from hypertension, that is when your blood pressure is rising. In that case, invariably you should be reducing your salt consumption. The reason being, again, as I said, that salt loves water, and salt will reabsorb a lot of water within your body, and that will lead to increased blood volume, which is going to create some additional pressure to your blood vessels, and that way salt becomes harmful if you are having hypertension. So as we say that moderation is the key, but then when to take salt and when not to take salt depends on your body's condition. So yes, salt is good and salt is bad depending on your condition, and check it with your dietitian and check with your doctor that if at all you need to avoid salt or you need to add salt in your diet. So for today, only this much in this salt week, and again we will be coming up with few more tips. Till then, take care, bye bye, and yes, of course, stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.